Many assume that professional-grade rework stations are overpriced, complex, and prone to inconsistency, but seasoned engineers and technicians know that the right tool can revolutionize your workflow. But outdated tools often cause errors and frustration. I'm an electronics repair expert with years of experience. Let me show you a smarter, easier solution. Introducing the IR6500 BGA Rework Station. Why do most rework stations struggle with temperature control? Airflow interference leads to inaccurate heating and poor results. The IR6500 solves this with closed-loop temperature control. It features 8 rising and 8 thermostatic segments. You can save up to 10 temperature profiles for repeat jobs. Dual upper and lower heaters ensure uniform heat distribution. Sensitive sensors keep your process precise and reliable. High-quality aluminum alloy and iron construction. Oxidation and spray coating make it durable and rust-resistant. This means long service life and consistent performance. The integrated workbench keeps everything organized. No more cable clutter or workspace confusion. Adjustable linear guide bracket securely locks your PCB. Prevents board deformation during rework. Connect easily to your computer via USB. Control every function with proprietary software. LED auxiliary lighting offers a clear, precise view. Even beginners can operate with the simple control panel. Cooling fans prevent overheating and extend machine life. XY lifting regulator adjusts heater height for any job. Rework CPUs, shielded enclosures, and component slots easily. Handles lead-free soldering with confidence. Perfect for laptop, desktop, server, and industrial motherboards. Also ideal for game boards, communication equipment, and LCD TVs. Watch as I repair a laptop motherboard with the IR6500. Temperature remains stable throughout the process. No overheating, no cold spots, just uniform results. PCB stays flat and undamaged thanks to the secure bracket. LED lighting ensures every connection is visible and accurate. Cooling fans keep the station safe and efficient. USB control makes adjustments quick and intuitive. Customer service is always ready to support your needs. We help you succeed beyond just selling a product. The IR6500 is practical, reliable, and a great gift idea. Upgrade your repair toolkit with professional precision. Experience stress-free soldering and rework today. Order your IR6500 BGA Rework Station now.